you're looking for a business idea, I got one for you. Now this video should be pretty quick to the point because there's not a whole lot of rocket science that goes into it. It does illustrate, I was being somewhat serious with the business idea, but you're kind of a sleazebag if you want to take up on that idea. But anyways, it does illustrate why a lot of people just drop out of the markets, why they don't find any success, and just a very faulty mindset. So I got this through the website. So let's read over this, and it's going to be pretty self-apparent after I do read it. But we'll still discuss a few of the basic points. Can I piggyback off of your trading as you live trade? If so, how much does it cost per month? First off, I'm going to give this person some props. You're not beating around the bush. You're not looking to waste my time. You're not looking to kind of just say something without really saying it. You got straight to the point, so I commend you for that. As far as your attitude is though, that's not trading. Go hire a financial advisor. If you want to piggyback off somebody, do what my parents do, get a financial advisor, because that's what advisors do, right? They allow their clients to piggyback off them because their clients are doing what they tell them to do or what they tell their money to do. And there is no shame in that. The vast majority of the population actually piggybacks off of financial advisors. They piggyback off of mutual funds. And there's no shame in that. So piggybacking in and of itself, I don't have a problem with it, but it depends on what sort of context you're talking about. Investing, retirement, like what my parents do, what most employment programs do, that piggybacking is totally fine. But if you want to get in the world of trading and then you want to just piggyback off another trader, why are you even bothering? That's not trading. Just like I said, go do what the majority of the population does. That's not trading. Trading is not that easy. Now, there are a lot of people that think just like this person does. That's why there are so many buy and sell alert services out there. Hey, we'll tell you when to buy, we'll tell you when to sell. We're going to give you our hot stock picks. I mean, there's a whole industry surrounded by that. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I've done quite a few videos on why buy and alert, sell or signals and all that stuff don't work. I do have a chat room, but we do alerts, and there's a big difference between an alert and hey, buy at this price, sell at this price. So I'm not, separate from the chat room category, but there is a difference even within the world of chat rooms of a chat room that's realistic versus one that just, is there to prey upon these sorts of people that want to piggyback off of others and want to just, hey, tell me when to buy, hey, tell me when to sell. But that's just not the attitude that you want to have. That's just not the outlook. I mean, if that is what you consider your strategy, then the only person you're going to be making money is whoever you sign up for, for that service. So I just told this person, actually I sent him a link to one of my, I think it was the video, buy and sell alerts are for suckers. I think I sent him that video and probably the video I did called, puppet trading, because that's what a lot of people do. They just want to be a puppet, let somebody else tell them what to do. And then of course they do that. And then what happens? Well, they lose money. Maybe they make money a little bit, but then they ultimately lose it. And then what is this person's, conclusion? It affects people two ways. The first way it affects people is, well, they contribute to the stats that the vast majority of people fail. So, that can be discouraging to some people that might actually want to do it, getting involved in trading. The second way it affects people is maybe you're now having a conversation with this person, oh, the market's rigged. It's all manipulated. It's all you just can't win in the market. Now, granted, they're not telling you the full context of the situation of, yeah, because I went and paid for some guy on the internet that was supposed to, I wanted to piggyback off this guy, and they're not going to tell you that. So from a new person's perspective, they're going to just look at the stats, be like, wow, a lot of people fail. And then, yeah, I was talking to this guy, and he said it's all manipulated, it's all rigged, it's all, well, so if you are doing things the right way, don't get down on yourself because you're not this person. If you don't have this mindset, if your mindset is, yeah, I wish it was that easy, but I'm going to grind it out. I'm going to work hard. I'm going to study on Saturdays. I'm going to study over the weekend. Then you know what? You're on the right path. And don't let the statistics that a lot of people fail discourage you. Don't listen to the people that say, oh, it's all rigged. Oh, it's just a gamble. Oh, it's this, that. No, if you're learning the right way, there is a way to do it. But unfortunately, a lot of people are like this. And, the only thing I can really commend this person on is at least they, didn't beat around the bush. A lot of people beat around the bush and they want to piggyback. They're just not willing to say it because I think they realize that's kind of a little lazy way to approach the market. But this guy, hit me straight between the eyes and, just let me know what they really wanted, which is good. But besides that, unfortunately, I think they're well on their way unless they change their thought process to, the scrap pile of failed traders and then the scrap pile of, hey, the markets are rigged and all that. So if you're not one of these people, hey, then don't be discouraged. You are definitely on the right path. Now for our winner of last week's contest, congratulations to Ethan Gillis. You have won the $20 Amazon gift card. Contact me through the YouTube channel, and that's key, through the YouTube channel. That's why I really know it's you, and you got a week to do that. So within the next week, get a hold of me through the YouTube channel and we will get that sent to you. This past week was actually a great turnout for the contest, so we are definitely going to do another contest. A couple videos ago, it was kind of shaky. It looked like people were kind of losing interest. But after this past week, seems like the interest is back. We had all sorts of entries and comments. So, that's great. We'll keep the contest going because of that. So if you want to enter into this week's contest to win the $20 Amazon gift card, 3 things you got to do: be a subscriber on the channel, click the like button, and then leave a comment down below. You can leave a comment about, whatever. You can comment on this video. Maybe you have a scenario where you experienced a piggyback trader, we'll call it, or anything else. But last week we had actually a couple people shared examples with that video, and I was just kind of blown away with like, wow, yeah, that's just sad. So I do like to hear examples that you may have that associate with kind of the concept of whatever the video was about. So if you have some dealings with somebody that wants to piggyback in one way or the other, definitely share that in the comments, and that'll enter you into the contest. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you back next week.